In Hawaii vehicle rollover cases, one hopes that the newer vehicles are safer with regard to rollovers, because when rollovers happen, auto manufacturers need to keep a record of how many rollovers are involved in each new model that they design and begin to manufacture. So that data is kept in data books by their engineers, by their design engineers, so as time goes by, the vehicles are made safer to avoid rollovers, such as the center of gravity must be lower. The bottom part of the car should be heavier than the top part of the car. That helps prevent rollovers. Vehicles should not be too high, because if they're too high, that also affects rollovers. And then, of course, there should be rollover bars so that if the car does roll over, the passengers are protected from the top of the car being smashed in. If you're involved in a rollover situation, it's important to hire a qualified, experienced personal injury lawyer who can handle a rollover case. Those are very difficult, complex cases to handle.